Hello everybody, and how are you tonight? It's that time again. It is fun time, playtime, be a kid again time with Fab, Fit, and Fun. Look at the size of this box. And you should have seen the size of the box that came with it. Oh, look at that. I love these boxes. Don't you? They are so much fun. I can't wait to get inside of this. Hello, I'm peeking out. Okay, wow, let's get into this beauty, shall we? Wow, and this came in an even bigger box that I couldn't even fit up here. I had to take it out. Let's get into this puppy. Look at the size of this. Wow. This is going to be a lot. Whew. Alrighty. Open. Wow. I am always so excited to get this box. It is just absolutely fantastic. Okay, so the usual propaganda in the beginning, the 15% off. Know someone who would love refer a friend type of thing. I don't have any friends, so okay. And then a magazine, the FabFitFun magazine. Summer glow up, and it's got recipes and all kinds. This alone is really cool, the magazine, because they got articles, and look at this, they even have exercise. Isn't that cool? Look at that. I'm going to try those. I need to lose weight. Oh yeah, see, plus they have not just the tips, but they also have what's in the box and everything about it. So we will put our little magazine over here. All right, let's get into this. Oh my God, huge box. Take the paper out. Lots of paper. We got some more cards. Nourish, get 50% off your first month. And HelloFresh, where you get meals, the coupon for some free meals from HelloFresh, and we get to our stuff. Okay, wow, there's so much in here. I don't know if you can see it all. This is amazing. This has to be my favorite. Okay, so under all the confetti, where do we start? Where do I start? Right here. Okay. OUAI scalp massager. Let's see what the sucker looks like. Can you tell I'm excited? I love these. Oh, this is funny. I got one of these for my horse. I use it as a curry brush for my horse. I'm not kidding. I have one of these as a curry brush. I did not know it was a scalp massager. Or the horse curry brush looks exactly like a scalp massager. But I use it to curry my horse and to get the dirt off of him and then brush him. Cool. Another curry comb for my horse. Cool, see, and then you just like this, and then you curry on your horse. It's supposed to go on my head. Maybe I'll try it on me first. And if it doesn't work on me, I got another curry comb. See, you can always find things that have more than one use, especially when you've got an animal like a horse, because they require so much. Okay, so that's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. What else? Ooh, this is fun. It's fun to dig. What is this? Look at the size of these things. It's another OUAI or OUAI or whatever, however you pronounce it. Detox shampoo. There you go. A detox shampoo, which makes me very happy because I always need shampoos. Of course, I also need conditioner too. But I have a few products that I got from other unboxings that have been just wonderful. My hair feels soft and silky, and I've been holding on to my waves for the most part. Not bad. I like my hair products. Okay, so there's that. The shampoo. This is wonderful. Ah, so much stuff. It's like Christmas. Corkcicle. Silicone. A straw. Oh, it's like being a kid again. Oh, look at this. It bends. It's a bendy straw. Oh, that's so cool. Bendy, bendy, bendy. Whee! I don't think I've ever seen a straw made of this material before. It's a silicone straw. Interesting. Well, that's really neat. I don't think I've ever seen anything like that. They have the most interesting products in here, I'm telling you. Oh my goodness, and they have so much. Let's see. Barefoot Scientist. Barefoot Scientist. Oh, good. Something for feet. I always need stuff for feet. Everybody focuses so much on face, and there are other areas of the body, especially my feet. They get dry, and they like to be massaged and whatever, and this is cool. Oh, this is going to be fantastic. Awesome. Smooth things over. Pedicure. Oh, okay. It's got a pedicure file on one side. Okay. Yeah, and the other, oh wow. It's two different types of pedicure files. One on each side. Oh, this is going to come in handy. I always need my feet to be pedicured. I love pedicures. Never had a manicure in my life, but pedicures. And next, what do we have? What do we have? This is so cool. I did this, you know, I had a few videos to do. A few unboxing videos to do. And I saved this one for the last because I always save the best for last. And this is so much fun, this one. What do we got here? They have the most interesting products. Oh, it looks like a thermos of some sort. Let's see. Stemless. Yeah. It's a cup. 9 hours cold and 3 hours hot. So it'll hold liquid for 9 hours. It'll keep it cold. And for 3 hours, it'll keep it hot. Cool. Neat. I love the color. It's real pretty. And you know what? My straw will go with this. That blush. What is this? Pineapple shaped ice mold. Look at that. A pineapple shape. You can put your ice in there and you have little pineapple ices. That'd be great if you have a tropical drink. You put pineapple shaped ice in there. That is absolutely wonderful. Look at that. You can use it as a fidgeter too. Fidget. Play with it. Because it's that silicone, that same silicone stuff. So it's fun to play with. That's wonderful. Next. Oh boy. Boy, oh boy, oh boy. What is this? Fruit butter lip mask. See, now that's what I like, lip masks. I'm not really into the exfoliating scrubs so much, but the lip masks, those I use. Okay, so this is fruit butter lip mask. There you go. Fruit butter lip mask. What do you think of that, huh? Wow. That's going to be awesome. That is going to be awesome. It's got a little thingy on it. I got to take the little thingy off. Oh. Ooh, it smells nice. Oh, I'm going to love this. I can't, I've got my, let me see. Oh yeah, look at that. It's pinkish. It's kind of pinkish. I'll put it over my lipstick. Oh, that's heaven. That is wonderful. Oh, you got to get this box. This is awesome. It tastes so good. That's nice. It is, it's fruity. What do we have next? Oh my goodness. Oh, our stickers. We always have stickers. These would be great if I had a kid, but I don't, and I'm not really into stickers, but in any event, it's cute. Okay, what is this? Oh God, this FabFitFun box is definitely always worth it. Ooh. App, okay. Different ways to wear it. This will be good in the winter, actually. I like it. I like the, it's got, let's take it out of the package and see what we got here. Hey. Oh, wow. Wow. Check this out. Ooh, it's so big. Oh, it's so big. Look at that. Is that nice? I like that. It's not like just a scarf. It's like a wrap. You can wear it all sorts of different ways. And it's so pretty. I mean, you can wear it like a scarf. You can put it over your head. Oh, I like that. Oh, that's nice. Oh, yes. Me keepy. I like that. And it's got a paper on it that came with it that tells all the different ways that you can wear it. See? I hope you're having as much fun as I am. What's this? Puzzles and activities. Ooh, puzzles and activities books. Look at that. Fantastic. Oh, wow. Wow, wow, wow. That's Be Happy. Puzzles and activities. Maybe it'll have some Mad Libs. Remember Mad Libs? Oh my goodness. We used to play those in the car on long road trips. Let's see. Oh, look at this. It has all kinds of stuff. I'm never bored enough to ever think of having puzzles, but you never know. You can color in a cartoon shark. It's got all kinds of stuff in here. Crossword puzzles. Oh. And there's another one too. Let's see. This one says Make Today Better. Puzzles and activities. Same thing, just more puzzles and activities. 2 books in my car, and then if I get stuck somewhere or stuck in traffic, I have something to do. Okay, are we on the last item? think we're at the bottom. I think we found the bottom. One more item. The last item is always something really interesting for me. I got this stuff in my hair. Goodness gracious. Board set. A set of 4 cutting boards. Oh, wonderful, because especially this time of year, I like strawberries, and I'm always, you know, and carrots. Look, it shows a little shrimp on the bottom. This is great. It's just got a little bit of everything, which is why I recommend this box, because it's just so interesting to go through and see all what cool little stuff is in there. So, well, I hope you enjoyed this video. I know I did. I enjoyed doing this. Some good stuff here to use. Okay, well, you have a fabulous evening or day if it's day there. And I hope to see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe if you enjoy the videos and you want to learn some more and see more unboxings and surprise mystery boxes and all kinds of other fun stuff. I will hopefully see you soon.